In this video, I'm going to teach you how to generate sitemap in Yoast SEO. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here to yoast.com in order to go to their website. You should be able to explore their premium opportunities and plans right here, and you should be able to subscribe to one. However, you can also download the free version right there, so head over and download this, and this should be able to give you right here this zip file that you can use to upload it on WordPress. Now, alternatively, you can also head over to WordPress.com and then from in there, click on this Get Started to sign up or click on this Login to get started to one. So let's head over first to our Yoast. Now, you can find Yoast right here directly on your WordPress. Onto your site, just head over right here to the Plugins tab and you should be able to already see the Yoast SEO right here, but this one is premium. So you can head over right here to the creator of Team Yoast, and you can see right here the preview. You can also see in here some options like this Yoast SEO that is free, but requires plan upgrade. So head over and then upgrade to one. Once you have it all set up, you can create a Yoast sitemap. Having here this article that should be able to help us. So a nasa file sitemap is a list of pages on your site that you want search engines to crawl the index. So here is an example of the sitemap, and you can see right here when is that modified. So here is we have here generated by Yoast SEO. You can click on any one of those to see all the pages and URLs associated to this. Now for this, you can include and exclude some things on your sitemap. You want to exclude any URLs that point to pages with thin content, duplicate content. Now to create it, just log into your WordPress and onto your Yoast SEO. You can find the site features. Then click on post right here. Then you should be able to see the show pages in results. After that, you should be able to just continue with this exercise and customize individual sitemaps generated by this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.